Today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is entitled "Driver Tries to Flee Mid-Stop, Ends Badly."
Police conduct a traffic stop on a vehicle with a seized tag order, but the driver immediately becomes argumentative and refuses to follow commands.
Stop. License and registration, please.
1549 Robert.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended and you have a seized tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Well, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update that. But you didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse,
Okay.
I made payment.
Jasmine, when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in mine.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light cameras.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a couple months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper I did at the court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry? Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction.
No, that's the correct address.
The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information. I'm just going to show you.
1135
Okay.
Blackmail order.
I'll be right back.
Yelling at the staff.
Oh, my boy doing this quick.
Stay in the car, ma'am.
Yeah, but you're doing something. You're not telling me what to do.
I don't have to tell you right now. Have a seat in the car and I'll be right with you.
Okay, but you can't touch a property without a license.
Okay, well, that's incorrect.
That's very
So,
incorrect.
have a seat in the car. I already told you, you have a seized tag order. Have a seat in the car and I'll be with you in just a minute.
Okay, but where's my license? I have to go pick up my kids.
Your license is being returned to the state of Florida as well. Have a seat at your car.
How much longer?
Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever
Okay,
I want. If I can
ma'am.
get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court
I
ruling
need
that
you
says
to
you need to
back
get back in your car.
Supreme Court
Now
rule?
get back in your car.
Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car.
How are
I'm
you
taking your
impounding my
license
car?
and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best
I
thing.
can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself and
Well,
I have to go
I
get my kids.
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything up.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Then why
I'm
didn't
telling
you
you.
tell me that? I asked it.
Wow, so she pretty much lied. So the officer is kind of upset. You know, either way, he still got to do his job. But he asked her earlier if this is the first time you know your license has been suspended, and she said yeah. Come to find out, it's been suspended 4 times. Like, come on, man. Come on. It's been suspended 4 times. Your ass is grass, man.
Any other problems? She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is. I will
but
give
you
you all
can't
the court
impound my
tickets.
car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. Till you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
you
take
owe
it to
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and
No,
drive
I
again.
went to the courthouse
Okay.
and she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there yesterday.
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job.
Yes, you can.
I can't help that. Ma'am, go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Go stand by your car. Okay. Ma'am, you're this close to going to jail. Okay. You're this close to going to jail.
Well, she don't care. Take her to jail. She said she don't care. She don't care about going to jail. Take her ass then. You know, like I said, the hardware may look good, but the software needs a little update.
Go have a seat by your car.
I think the officer is acting pretty decent.
Ron, don't let her go.
Oh, she took off? No way. Unbelievable.
Get out of the car now.
Oh, they gonna get her together
Get out
now.
of the car. Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
Yeah, you really gonna get together now.
What is your problem?
Relax. Relax.
You're hurting me. You're hurting
Relax.
me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get off.
Grab that hand.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Go get my fucking kid. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't you do that. Get off of me.
Go to the
No,
ground.
I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my ticket. No, you are not putting these on me. What are you doing? Ow!
Tase her ass, man. That'll get her right.
Roll over. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm only 130 pounds! Get off of me, please! Get off of me, please! Get off of me, please! I'm only 130 pounds!
Stand up.
My arm!
Stand up.
What you did to my hand?
Stand up.
You fucking asshole! What the fuck?
Oh, God.
You get my kids! What is wrong with you? Look at my hand! I didn't do nothing to you! What the
Look at this lady here. Look at this. Oh. She got her phone out recording. I mean, you got the right to do it, but I mean, come on, just damn, you can't. Yo, these bystanders, man, it never fails, never fails.
What is wrong with you? Look at my hand! I didn't do nothing to you! What the fuck?
Hey, you can't take off on a traffic stop.
Take off!
Get in. It's all on video.
Traffic
Get
stop.
in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick. And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested? That
Well,
makes sense.
I don't know. That's between you and them. Well,
And I didn't do nothing.
unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.
She lied.
She was found adjudicated guilty of felony fleeing or attempting to elude, resisting officer without violence, and driving while license suspended. She was sentenced to 12 months of probation.
Well, that's what she get, you know? Yeah, I mean, these bystanders, man, Jesus Christ. It's nothing wrong with just minding your business, you know what I'm saying? Unless you're seeing something really crazy, but I mean, come on, man. Anyway, yeah, she's just stupid. Taking off on a traffic stop, all you have to do is call a cab or an Uber or somebody to come pick you up. Yeah, your car's gonna get impounded. Yeah, you're gonna pay a fine. You know, those things are gonna happen. But now, those things are going to happen on top of you going to jail and now having to be on probation for a year. Like, come on, where's the logic in that? I would have just called the Uber. All right, she knows she in the wrong anyways. Anyway, I think the officer did pretty good, man. I think he was pretty cordial. I think he was professional. I don't see what he did wrong. I don't think he got out of pocket. Pretty calm, cool, collected guy. Give him 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.